Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. Now, if you watched my previous video, you will know that I unboxed some samples that I received from Alibaba.com, and I was told that these samples were gonna come in at 280 GSM, which is the unit of measurement used to weigh fabrics and even like paper and all of that stuff. So in this video, I actually wanted to share with you guys exactly how to measure the GSM of an actual fabric to ensure that the manufacturer is actually sending you the correct GSM for that particular garment. So that's exactly what we're going to be doing in this video. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Hadi G, and on this channel I like to share what it's truly like to run a clothing brand, as well as drop in tips, tricks, gems and all of that good stuff. And I'm hoping today's video is going to be a gem. Now, the issue that we have is that the scales that I have are not that accurate in terms of, it doesn't go down to like point something of a gram. It's just a gram, which means that this little square here is not going to be accurate enough to measure the GSM of a fabric as accurately as we would want it to be. So what we're actually going to do is we're going to cut out a much bigger area of the t-shirt, just to try and get a little bit more of an accurate reading on our scale. I'm going to have the website linked down below so that you can use it for your own measurements for GSM. But for the purposes of this video, I think I'm actually going to do 20 centimeters by 20 centimeters. If I could do 25, I will definitely I'll do in 25. I can do 25, so I'm going to do 25. So I'm just going to mark that out and get that cut out. If you want to measure the GSM, you are going to have to cut your t-shirt, unfortunately. I am actually going to take this opportunity to see whether I've still got any t-shirt fabric from my actual t-shirt fabric for my clothing brand, and I'm going to also probably test the GSM for that as well. So anyway, we've got our scales. We're going to pop them on. So that's coming in at 15 grams. So 25 by 25 centimeters comes in at 15 grams. So I'm gonna now pop that into my GSM calculator. So in my GSM calculator, I've put in 250 millimeters by 250 millimeters, and the weight is 15, which means that this t-shirt actually comes in at 240 GSM. So even if I pop in 16, just to add that degree of accuracy, still it's 256. Even if I say okay 17, 272, I mean it shouldn't be that inaccurate, but it's definitely 15 grams, which means that this has actually come in under by around about 40 grams, which makes sense because the weight of it didn't feel that weighty. So as I mentioned, I am gonna have that particular website linked below so that we can be measuring our GSM more accurately. But for a little bit of fun, since this video is super short, I am gonna go and get some fabric from my fabric bin and see whether I've still got some leftover fabric and measure the GSM of my t-shirts, because I have always thought that they are 300 GSM. So are they really? I believe this is my t-shirt fabric, but I actually do remember them saying that they no longer do 250 GSM fabric, and I think when I ordered samples they were still doing 250 GSM fabric. So I'm assuming that this is gonna be 250 GSM. So I am gonna mark that out. I feel like the 25 by 25 measurement actually worked quite well. So I'm gonna mark that out, get that cut out, get that measured, and see whether Vend Fabrics actually sent me the correct GSM. Whilst I'm doing this, guys, what do you think I should do with this t-shirt in fabric? Do you think I should attempt to use my patterns and sew my own t-shirt? I feel like that could be quite fun. So I've marked out my square and I'm going to just cut it out quickly. So there's my square. I'm just gonna pop on my scales again. Obviously the measurements are still the same, and that fabric comes in at 15 grams as well, so it's basically exactly the same as the other fabric, which means that it is around about 240 GSM, which is really close to what I thought it was going to be, which is 250 GSM. But obviously we do have to bear in mind that degree of accuracy, because you know it's just me cutting it. So if you want to work out the GSM of your fabrics, basically measure and cut out your fabric. fabric. It doesn't even matter what measurements you use. I guess the bigger the better, but it doesn't really matter. Then I'm gonna have this website linked below, and all you have to do is input the length and the width of what you've cut out, and then the weight that it ends up being after you measure it, and then that is going to work out the grams per square meter, and then you can accurately-ish assess whether or not your manufacturer has sent you the correct GSM for that particular garment. So I really hope that this video has been helpful. I am going to be having a word with that manufacturer because that is not the correct GSM, which is very disappointing. But yeah, please be sure to subscribe, like this video. For those of you that don't know, I do have my starter kit, which is an online course aimed at helping you start a clothing brand. So it includes manufacturers, my tech pack guides to finding manufacturers, doing your first photo shoot, understanding fabrics. You get a one-on-one complimentary session with me, online chat support. So definitely be sure to sign up if you're somebody that wants to start a clothing brand but has no idea. But that is it from me. I will catch you in my very next video. Bye.